Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're gonna just do a light test. I have two Brauns and the Icon. They're all, from Harbor Freight. This one is the newer Braun. This is the original one that everybody has. It's the single fold down, articulating, that everybody likes with a strong magnetic base. This is the newer version of it. This with the coupon back in the day, you can get it for about $19.99. This one was about $21.99 with a coupon. This is the updated one where this thing folds down, okay, and can articulate because it's double hinged a little bit better. This is about 350 lumens. This is rated at 500 lumens. And then I'm looking at this new Icon for Black Friday. Okay, it's basically a single fold down. That's it doesn't rotate, but it's got the bright light here, and it's got a smaller light here, and of course they all have the little point light at the top. But the room here is dark because I want for you to see the difference. Okay, I'm sorry that I'm working in darkness, but this was $24.99 with a Black Friday sale. So everybody needs a work light. The only catch was the bodies are all aluminum, okay, but then all the hinges and this part right here, the part that takes the most movement, it's all plastic. And I've actually had these break right here. And then what are you going to do? Your warranty's up, even if you get an extended one, and then you're back to buying a light. But let's take a look at these lights, okay? This is the 350. That's at full bright. That's pretty bright, right? I mean, and then you can cycle the light down, okay, and to the different ones, okay? Here is the Braun. This is 500 lumens. Let's turn it away, okay? Is it really any different? And then, of course, you get the top light there like that, okay? But 500 lumens, 350. Can you tell that one puts out a little bit more light? I don't know. Okay? And then, of course, this one, the Icon, is 800 lumens. And let's turn on the big light. Let's see, the power button is on the back side. So let's do a quick comparison here. Okay, that's the top. I don't know if you can see that. And that's... It's on 3 cycles. You get brighter, and then you get the back, okay? So let's go back, and that's 800 lumens. Does it seem bright? I think it's pretty bright, okay? And then here's the other one. Okay, so, and then here's this one. So that's the brightest. So, yeah, I think the Icon is more compact. It's brighter. I don't know. If you need a light, this may be what you want to do for Black Friday. These two work on USB-C type plugs for charging, and these the original one uses a micro USB to recharge. The USB-Cs I like better. I think they're more durable in the long run. The other thing I like about these two Brauns, okay, is, as you know, the battery is just a quick undoing of the bottom, and then you can get a new cell and plop it in there. The new Icon, I think you're going to need a little more disassembly to get to the battery, because it doesn't want to come undone, and there's no way. It's not threaded on either end, so I think you're going to have to disassemble it a little bit to get to the actual battery. But otherwise, hey, that's a quick review of the work lights that Harbor Freight sells. And whatever your needs are, you can't ever have enough work lights. I mean, really, you can't. So there you go. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching another video. And hey, have a great day. Take care now.